What is up guys? So tuturuan ko kayo ngayon ng kung paano mag-edit your B-rolls. And this is actually my first tutorial for you guys para makita nyo kung paano ako mag-edit ng aking mga B-rolls. So right here, meron ako ngayon. So right now, gawa muna tayo ng sequence. So punta tayo kay Files. Go tayo kay New, then Sequence. So ang ginagamit ng sequence dito is the custom type, which is the 3.97.6 FPS. So if hindi nyo pa alam kung paano mag-set ng new sequence kay Adobe Premiere, link ko na lang sa description below kung ano sure na. So right here, meron na tayong sequence na which is called the B-Toots tutorial. So kasi ito ang aking mga workspace, which is I have the source, the program monitor, and my timeline, and this one is the effects, libraries, or history, or whatever. But right now, gagawin natin is drag muna natin. So I will be using three footages for me to edit. So ito, i-drag natin siya dito sa source monitor. So guys, makikita nyo dito sa bandang left side is yung source monitor ko. So if you play, nakikita nyo naman kung gaano ka-shaky. But if you are looking, or if you're familiar with my channel, you can see how I do my B-rolls. So from here, from macro shot, ginawa ko siya malayo, okay? From micro shots, ginawa ko macro shots, okay? But hindi naman lahat gusto ko kunin. So let's see, input natin dito, then output. Drag lang natin. I'm using this one to drag only the video. Then keep existing settings. Then kung makikita nyo, yan siya. Ang ginagawa ko lang dyan ay in-scale to prime size ko. And I use this, or I shot this video 60 fps, okay? Tapos yung shutter speed ko, yung aperture ko, since 60, ang ginawa ko ay 180. So I'll make a separate video on how I shoot my B-roll videos, but masyadong smooth. So it's either I can slower the footage, or I can use the warp stabilizer. So if okay naman sa akin yung kuha ko na medyo malayo, or slow, I would just search the warp stabilizer. So ito guys is very effective na warp stabilizer. So hindi lahat ng footage kasi, okay, meron ka ma-encounter na ganito na warp stabilizer requires so much sequencing. So ang best dyan is you have to nest your footages. So nest natin siya para pag dinag natin siya dito sa warp stabilizer, nagaganyan siya. So it takes a lot of time, lalo na kung marami yung mahaba yung footage mo. It will take a lot of time for you guys to finish the whole analyzing in background ng warp stabilizer. But lalagyan mo na agad ng warp stabilizer. Warp stabilizer usually works pag medyo hindi ganon ka-shaky yung mga footage mo. So yun, tapos mo siya mag-stabilize. And we can also, after stabilizing, we can render this one. So I'm using this one, render in and out, para yun lang specific na i-render ng Premiere natin. Sure na pag mag-warp stabilizer ka tapos hindi, yan. Kasi diba, kita nyo naman guys kung gano'n na siya ka-smooth. From this one, balik tayo dito. From this, nakuha na ganito. Is naging ganito na siya. So ganun ko lang dayain yung mga B-rolls ko, guys. Napakadali. Then I want to crop. Magkaroon tayo ng bar sa top and bottom. So drag natin yung crop para makita mo yung controls na nilagay mo dito. Since drinag mo yung crop papunta rito sa nest na video 1 mo, pupunta ka ngayon kay effect controls. So yan, nakikita nyo. And in the left controls, you can see the crop. So lagyan natin ng top, then bottom. So as you can see, meron na siyang top and bottom. But I'm not doing this for the whole video, but there's a simplest way para maging flexible yung paglalagay mo ng crop. So, try natin mag-Ctrl Z. So, as you can see, wala na yung crop na nilagay ko. But, if gusto nyo, you can put here, also a high project, then adjustment layer. You can see the fourth icon in the bottom, then adjustment layer. Then just OK. And drag that adjustment layer into here. Enter video 2, overlaying the video 1. So, yan. Then, pasukan natin ng top. So, yan. Adjustment here. Or pwede kang maglagay ng isa pang adjustment layer. And you can add your track right here para dito malagay sa adjustment layer mo. Para hindi ka malito, you can rename your adjustment layer. Like for example, this is for color grading. Try natin to. Yan. Para makikita mo dito sa timeline mo yung mga presets na yan. So, hindi wala siyang pangalan pero nilagay ka yan. Kaya pag nilagay mo dyan, mag-iiba yung kulay niya. Okay, bakit ayaw? Ayan, mag-iiba. Base yan sa color correction ko. So, as you can see, yung temperature niya is medyo yellowish. So, you might want to go to the basic correction. Then, temperature niyo is, if gusto nyo medyo cool yung temperature niya, you can adjust right here. Diba? The more you put right here, the more na nag-temperature siya. So, adjust tayo mga ganito. Then, for the exposure, usually, binababaan ko yan hanggang 0.02 negative. Yan, contrast. Medyo lagyan natin dito. Between 10. Tapos, highlights. Ayaw ko na masyadong shadow. Yan, black content. Yan. Then whites. Siyempre, ayaw mo na maraming whites. You just have to put the whites here. Then shadows. Medyo babaan natin yung shadows. Just lang din. Contrast, then exposure. Negative 5. Push pa natin yan hanggang ganyan. Then, punta tayo kay faded film. I usually put my faded film this mga 10. Yan. Or maybe 25. Lagyan natin ng mga unting ganyan. Then vibrance, medyo babaan pa natin. So masyadong vibrant na. Then sharpening, mga ano siya, 50. So kasi medyo sharp yung kuha ko. Then yan. Then saturation, you can, but for this one, hindi ko na siya nilalagay dito. Pero yung sa curves ko, usually, kung gusto ko medyo saturated, ganyan. But my videos, I don't like to be saturated, so I tried to this one. And medyo less saturated siya. So ganyan lang mga basic correction ko actually. So try nating mag-render. But yun nga, papakita ko muna yung tagal pag hindi pag wala siyang color grading, yan yung itsura niya. Pag may color grading, ganito ang itsura niya naman. Yan. So, kanina medyo mabilis yung pag-render. And ngayon, medyo matagal kasi madami tayong nilagay na effects. So, hintayin natin matapos yan, guys. And balikan natin, pakita natin kung ano yung itsura niya. So, try na natin i-preview yung ginawa natin, guys. So, sorry, medyo mabagal ang video card natin, but this is now our render. So, as you can see, yan na ang itsura niya, guys. And that's how I do my rerolls. So yun guys, makikita nyo, ito na ang finished product natin for my B-rolls. So I hope meron kayo natutunan sa akin regarding sa pag-color grading ko and how do I prepare my B-rolls in Adobe Premiere. Next is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumuha ng B-rolls and anong correct settings sa camera. And yun naman ang mga susunod ko i-upload sa next vlogmas. So thank you guys sa pakikinig and I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa tutorial na to and I will see you sa next vlogmas natin. I will see you sa next tutorial ng video natin and I hope may natutunan kayo. If you like this video, put like, comment, and subscribe the video and kita sa mga susunod na kabalata. Okay? Thank you guys and have a good one.